Welcome to our latest YouTube video, where we're excited to introduce you to the Tailor Booking Management System free download template. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a small business owner, or someone just starting in the world of web development, this template is designed to streamline the booking process for tailors and make managing appointments a breeze. The capstone project, Tailor Booking Management System, will allow tailoring shop to automate processes in managing different transactions in their shop. The system is designed to automate transactions such as managing customers' information, taking customer orders, checking on the progress of the garments, payments and all other transactions that takes place in a tailoring shop. In the conventional method, customers will personally visit tailoring shop if they wish to inquire for tailoring services. The details of the customers are taken manually and kept on papers. Customers will need to spend time and effort in acquiring services in tailoring shop. The manual method is time-consuming and costly for both the tailors and customers. The manual system will slow down the entire transaction. What the tailoring shop needs is a tool that will speed up and automate the processes in the shop. To address the concerns mentioned above, the researchers of the study proposed a tailor booking management system that will eliminate the difficulties encountered in the manual process and increase the speed of the transaction. The customer can register to the system to make bookings or made an order electronically. Checking for updates will not also need physical presences, since the system will provide features for checking. The tailoring shop can easily manage the customer's information and orders electronically. The proposed system will ease up the transactions and increase the efficiency of the service provided by the tailoring shop. The project aims the following objectives. 1. To develop a system that will automate processes in the tailoring shop. 2. The system will let tailoring shop manage their bookings and transactions electronically. 3. To develop a system that will let customers avail tailoring services easily. 4. The system is efficient in handling, processing and keeping records of transactions. 5. The system is easy, efficient and reliable to use. 6. Create the system as designed using PHP, MySQL or MariaDB for the backend and Bootstrap, HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the front-end development. The following individuals or groups will benefit from the study. Tailoring shop. The system will manage all their transactions such as customer orders, customer information, payments, income of the shop and other transactions. The system will ease up keeping records of their transactions. Tailors. The system will ease up their job in meeting the demands of the customers. The system will lessen their effort and time spent in managing bookings of the customers. Customers. The system will help them conveniently inquire tailor services without needing to personally visit a tailoring shop. Researchers. The success of the project will contribute to their knowledge and skills as program developers. Future researchers. The study will serve as their basis in developing their own version of the Tailor booking management system. Thank you so much for tuning in and exploring the Tailor booking management system free download template with us. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring for your Tailor shop or web development journey. Your time and attention mean the world to us. If you found value in this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting templates and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments below.